Preheat oven at 180 degree for how much ever time you prepare. You will need Maida, powdered sugar, milk powder, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla essence. You need 1 cup and a spatula and a whisk and a bowl for mixing. You have to butter your pan before you start the baking process. 2 cups Maida. Second cup of Maida. And then I have already taken 1 cup of powdered sugar, granulated sugar, powdered by mixing. 1 cup milk powder, 3/4 tablespoon, half and 1/4, 3/4 baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon vanilla essence, and 1 cup oil. 1 cup oil. You have to use the same 1 cup measurement for all ingredients.
Any refined oil.
Any refined oil. I am using sunflower oil today. 1 cup. Mix this.
Mix it well without any lumps.
1 cup milk powder also should be added. After mixing, we will pour this into the batter tray. Place this baking pan into the oven for in a preheated oven for 180 degree 45 minutes. Let's wait till the cake gets cooking. After we get the desired color of the cake, brown or golden brown, we will add an aluminum foil over it. Now we are going to test the cake. It should still not be cooked, but we got the desired color, so we are going to close this. Be careful, it will be very hot inside. So don't keep your hands so much inside. See how fluffy it came. Just pull down it so that you can take it out. Juicy and fluffy. The corner piece may be crispy, and that is also different taste and it will be nice. So thank you. Please subscribe, like and share the video tonight. Thank you.